So today, hello everybody, this is 2002 Mercedes CL cranked over, break the battery. Up the scanner while I'm charging the battery. So we pop the hood up right here. The question is, we have to check if there is any fuel close. There's no fuel because that's crank, so it's not that. Rear signal active. So one of them, the one real fast. So we're gonna have to jump. Okay, so NC. I'm gonna look up the wiring diagram for this and